Amazed.
It's like rippling.
I know the lights are cool, but come here, check this out.
Yeah.
Push this right here.
I'm scared. What that do?
Push it like you mean it.
Whoa. Whoa. How cool is that?
Yeah, that's the charging port. Crazy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ready to drive around in our first EV?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it. Oh, that's the EV belt. Just kidding. That Raptor's not ours. Yeah, there we go. Hey, so we are driving the Blazer EV RS trim, and it's another loaner rental in our series of cars that are recovering for the disaster that is my truck. This is really cool. I've been driving it for a few days and I really like it. It's got a lot of storage. You got a big cubby here, you got a cubby here, you got a glove box action here. It's all good stuff. You got the Camaro air vents. You got the windows open right now. But it's really nice. The suede seats. You can get these things a lot cheaper than MSRP these days because of all the tax incentives and such and the dealer discounts. So we're going to take it for a drive. And Griffin, it really hasn't been in an EV yet.
Nope.
I've driven a few. This isn't going to be anywhere near as fast as the EV6 GT I drove last summer, which is Lambo fast. But this will be, adequate to kind of give you the experience. Okay, kid?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll put up the windows so they can hear us better. And we will silently drive off. Actually, you know what? Just kidding. Let's leave them open for a sec so you can hear the weird EV sound, the spaceship sound. I already got it in sport mode. It's not the sportiest one. I can already tell you right now. Oh, here comes the sound.
The filming might be a little bit bumpy, so just keep that in mind.
That's okay. We're not really doing this in a formal way with the tripod and such. Man.
Stop the car. Stop the car.
Jiggled. What? You hear it?
You got guys?
That's to remind pedestrians not to walk in front of the car.
It's like a space shuttle.
Yeah, I know. It's got a huge screen. It's got the 360 camera. I mean, you've seen other car videos about this. You're not telling anything. You're not telling
us two.
What, two?
Yeah.
Oh, two, yeah. It's got this screen's all digital, this screen's all digital, and that has the split display. And,
Yes, sir.
You can see, oh, that's just weird.
What is that?
It's the camera's kind of stitching together the view for you. But anyway, yeah, you can see all this stuff in other places. You just get our hot take on this now. My hot take is that I really like this. Way more than I thought I would. In fact, to get closer to that Kia EV6 GT speed, I would love to have the SS version of this that's coming out. And I think I accidentally turned on one pedal driving. See that? Look. It has like an auto brake thing, so you can take your foot off the pedal, and there's what's called regenerative braking, and it actually helps charge the battery.
Do it one more time.
Car. It basically like stops the car without you doing anything. You guys ready? Oh, check this out. You might like this. It's still. You shut the camera.
That's bright.
Yeah, a little bit. Check this out. It's gonna cool your buns.
Ooh.
Yeah, it has heated and cooled seats.
No, cold too?
Yeah.
That's
cool,
amazing.
Right? Yeah, I actually was driving. It's like really hot today. I was driving around with that. I really liked it. I don't know why the AC buttons don't really work here. It makes me do the screen. But if you're interested in filming, we'll drive around with it. I'll put up this window. We'll drive around with it with the AC on and the cooled seats. All right, should we go?
We shall.
All right, I'm gonna shut off the one pedal driving because it's a little weird for me. And then I want to run this gentleman over. That's why it makes that sound. See, that guy was walking by on his phone, and he might not have heard us. All right, let's roll.
We can definitely see us because he's literally right there.
Yeah. But, you can get distracted walking around. Like, I just hope this is okay. All right, let's go. It has a heads-up display. Let me see the phone real quick. You might not be able to see it. Maybe you can. But when I put navigation on, it tells me where I'm going and stuff. And when I have adaptive cruise control, which actually this is the first vehicle that I've had to drive for a little while with adaptive cruise control, and I got a new job with a long commute on a busy highway, and I will tell you that adaptive cruise control is the greatest thing ever. It's not just for EVs, everybody has it, but I think my next vehicle will have adaptive cruise control.
Yeah.
Do you know what that is?
No idea.
Basically, you set a speed, and there's radar on the car. So when the car, say you want to go 65 miles an hour on the highway, you go 65, but if there's cars in front of you that are slower, it'll automatically slow down the car so you don't smash into them. Yeah, you can just like cross your legs, relax. I mean, obviously you want to keep your feet ready to stop the car just in case, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's electric too.
I'm a fan. Yeah, this is the electric car. You've never been in one really before.
Yeah, it's like yeah.
I've driven a few. I drove the Solterra by Subaru, which is the same thing as the BZ4X.
Look at that.
And I've driven the Ioniq 5 and the Kia EV6. And this is like my 4th or 5th model.
Mm-hmm.
And I actually like this a lot more than I thought I was going to. All I thought was Blazer, yeah, but I actually did a gas-powered Blazer video a while ago on the channel.
You also see that.
Yeah, I liked it. And oh, check this out. My foot's off the brake pedal, but there's a paddle right here where you can do the regenerative braking. See? I can stop the car without using my foot. So if your leg gets tired, or if you want to add a little of the regenerative braking and get some of your battery back, which is what that's for, you can do it. It's a little herky-jerky if you're not good at it yet. I heard too that it's blended braking, so you're always getting a little bit of regen when you hit the brake pedal. All right, ready?
Here we go.
All right, I'll show you. This isn't the fastest EV by any means, but it's got a little bit of oomph to it. You ready? Set, go.
Whoa! Hear that?
Yep. It's not super fast, and
It's like going to hyperspace.
but it sounds cool, and it gives you a little throw back in the seat, right?
You got an idea?
Yeah, I like that. It's pretty fun.
Yes, sir.
What do you think so far?
Well, I think it's pretty fun. Like, the noises are pretty cool. It's like going to a space shuttle,
Yeah, you can turn the noises off and customize them and stuff.
like the science center.
This is set up in like a demo mode because it's not owned by anybody. It's a loaner car from a dealership where I'm getting serviced. So again, I'm getting serviced again. But you can't make the settings permanent, like they reset every time you start the car. So I didn't bother skirting around with some of the details of the settings. But check out this screen. Like this is a Google Maps. It's freaking enormous.
Yeah, it's like a foot big.
I know. Actually, it literally is. It's like 14 inches or something.
Wow.
Yeah, and you can customize all this stuff. There's no CarPlay, which I thought was really going to drive me nuts, but it's actually not bad. I can either Bluetooth the phone into it, or I drive with the windows down pretty much all the time, so I use AirPods, so sometimes I'll do that. The phone doesn't even have to be connected, but you still have this big map going, which is nice. I always like to have the GPS on.
Mm-hmm.
I think this handles pretty well too. Check out this corner already.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Not bad.
Yeah, it stays pretty flat. We just hit a pothole. And
Wee.
yeah, it didn't. You don't feel it. There's not a lot of. It's very, very comfortable. There's not a lot of banging or rattling in the cabin. I know this. The Blazer EVs had a rough start. They had, well, let's just say they had some issues. Like for example, the batteries would catch on fire.
Whoa.
Yeah, but that's happened to other EVs too. But they was like a software glitch or something. I guess they fixed that. This is one of them. I think this is a 2024. The older ones had that problem. But this one's really nice. Look, here's some more rough pavement. I mean, it doesn't bang you around like the trucks we've driven, or even Mom's car, which is a CRV, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm digging it. What else do you think? What are your other thoughts?
Well, the handling's pretty good. I really like how it like rolls. Like it's just pretty smooth.
Yeah, it rides really smooth.
Yeah, you don't really like hear like the background noise that much. Like if you like want to listen to music, you're pretty good. It's like not like my mom's car.
Yeah, she's got an older CRV. It's got some rattles and creaks and a lot of wind noise. I hear the new CRVs are really good. Her sister, your aunt, has one, which is pretty cool. We'll have to review that at some point. But this is really smooth. I like it. We'll go this way a little bit, and then we'll go back and twist here. This is the all-wheel drive RS. Like I said, I really would like to try out the SS when that comes out, because that's supposed to have like 500 some horsepower.
Yeah.
This one, I think it's in the 200, 300 range of horsepower and torque. Don't quote me on that. But it's good enough, especially for a commute. I don't know about you, I'm starting to feel the cooled seat. I feel it on my back.
Oh yeah. That's really good in the summer.
Yeah.
Oh wait, it's the summer.
It is the summer. Yeah, that's why I turned the seat on.
I'm just gonna ruin the summer for everybody by just saying one thing. School's in like 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Dude, both your parents are teachers.
I'm a student.
That's right. There's that paddle braking. I don't know how to make it smooth feel. We're a little herky-jerky. I gotta figure that out. Ready, acceleration. 3, 2, 1. Blast up.
Wait, whoa! Here we go. It's Star Trek.
The acceleration actually comes on kind of smooth compared to some EVs. I don't know if that's because of lack of power or just the way they calibrated it. It doesn't throw you in the back seat or the trunk. It feels fast, especially all EVs. All EVs feel pretty fast, but it doesn't like make you motion sick. It just kind of goes.
Yeah. I think we should talk about the Cybertruck. What are your thoughts about the Cybertruck?
I finally saw one in real life. And I thought it looked really cool. Like cooler.
No, it
cooler.
doesn't.
I mean, okay, you could allowed to disagree. I thought it looked cooler than I thought it would. And it didn't look as big as it does when you see it online. But I saw it in passing. You saw it parked. What do you think?
Well, it was really dirty. Like I had no idea what like Avengers was at, and it was like in like a Hilton Hotels parking lot. So it didn't really look the best. It looked really bulky and like hard to like drive around the road.
So you don't want to get one anymore?
Oh no way.
What about a Rivian? I think a Rivian would be cool.
Rivian?
Yeah, it's another type of electric truck. It's got a lot of storage and utility to it, but they're also very fast.
Yeah, I just want like a normal car, you know. Sorry, Elon.
Like this one?
Exactly. Like this car is actually pretty cool.
It is actually a lot cooler than I thought it would be. We're not going to be able to really test it on this twisty road because there's a car in front of us. Not that we would drive unsafely. It's I noticed on the highway, it's fine. It doesn't have, once you're going like 65, 70, if you try to get around somebody, that's where you notice it's not the fastest EV because it kind of goes and doesn't really want to get around people as fast. All the torque is down low when you're going to slower speeds.
Yeah, if this is in the fastest ERV, I wonder what it is because this is pretty fast.
Yeah, I mean, if you're not used to riding around an EV, like I drive a truck and Mom has a CRV, like neither one of those cars are fast. All right.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna see the warning just popped up like I was gonna hit that guy, but
Here we go.
all right, here we go. Put a little bit of juice. Test out the handling.
How's this turn?
I don't know. You tell me.
Oh. Okay.
It's pretty good.
Oh, look how smooth that was.
It's really smooth.
We're gonna jump. No, wait, hey.
I've driven all kinds
Bro, I
of
felt fear there. Well, I feel like my soul was about to jump out of my body.
I take good care of it. I've driven all kinds of cars on this road. I think the fastest I ever went was in a Camaro, but I think I could go faster than this, to be honest. It handles well. It rides really comfortable. All Chevys have good handling qualities, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, even the trucks.
Even the truck? That's kind of generous, don't you think?
For a truck.
Yeah, for a truck.
I'm not taking to a truck. I mean, out of all the mid-sized trucks that are Colorado's, you have two handles. Anyway, yeah, Chevy Blazer EV. You have to go back and watch our old EV video, or not EV, our old Blazer video, the gas-powered one. Tell us what you think.
How long was that? Another camera drop.
Why are you
Second
throwing
one.
the phone at me, crazy guy?
Because I'm a little bit mad right now.
Sorry, yeah, I guess you know, I don't think you ever drove around in the regular Blazer I had. It was at least 2 or 3 years ago I had that.
Yeah.
But I would definitely get this over the regular one. Yeah, but the regular one actually is pretty decent. But it's got a little bit more of like a, well, you know, it's an SUV. It's got a decent powertrain. But this, with all the weight down below and the Ultium platform, you ever hear a skateboard platform for EVs? Do you know what that means?
No, what is it?
So, like, basically, instead of an engine, usually when you drive a car, all the weight's either in the front or the back or something like that, because that's where they place the engine. Most of them are in the front. But for an EV like this, all the weight's on the very bottom, like a skateboard. It's basically like a long platform with wheels on the front and the back. And that makes it, at least for something like this, which would generally be kind of like a boring, not great handling car, to me it makes it feel like it's more solid and planted because all the weight's beneath us. We're sitting on top of the batteries right now instead of having an engine in front of us. So to me,
So you're telling me we're seeing like the batteries right now?
Yeah.
And I caught on fire once.
Yeah. Not this one. This one's brand new. There's nothing wrong with it. It's all
Yeah, they better not caught on fire because I do not feel like
Well, we got the cold seats. We'll be
getting
fine.
burnt buns.
Yeah, you'll be fine with the cold seats.
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Hopefully.
Well, I don't know. What's your final thoughts? Because we're almost back to our house.
All right. Overall, good handling. I gotta say, pretty cool features with like the seats. This can come in handy a little bit. Like if you're like a little bit tired, you can't really see that much.
Yeah, you're not gonna miss that. You'll definitely know where you're going.
It's like very bright, like bold.
Yeah.
The air vents are just cool. Like those are just like some cool features. That can go pretty high.
Yeah. I didn't even set it. There's like a way to set the air. Yeah, now you can feel it. There's like a way to set the air better.
Yeah. But overall, pretty cool car. And really fun to like mess around with. Have like cool drives.
Yeah, to keep you too.
Yeah. Dude, I want to dox myself.
What?
But yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, thanks everybody for watching. Appreciate it. Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Peace out.
Have a nice night. Bye.
What do you think, Spaceman?
All right. So there's a lot of space. Like, look at this. Yeah. Like I'm 5'4", 5. Like 5'4", 5'5".
Yeah.
5'5". That's a lot of space for like a short person.
And I'm keeping the seat back pretty far, and there's still plenty of space behind me.
I can get my full legs.
Slide over, go behind me. What do you think?
Okay. Driver's seat is normally like a little bit more cramped. Just depends on the person. But
It looks like there's a fair amount of
you
space.
can annoy them enough.
Don't do that when I'm driving. Good thing I'm not driving.
It's pretty comfortable.
Oh, look, there's also heated seats.
Ooh. All right, this car's immediate like 10 out of 10.
Heated seats in the back. Yeah, I dig it.
I've been asking for these for like so long,
Heated seats in
and
the
finally here it is.
back. Yeah, you could warm up on a cold day in the back seat even. There's cup holders too in the middle if you pull that thing down.
Also an extra seat. All right.
Yeah, you could use it as a seat, or you could use it like that. Yeah, pretty cool, right?
Yeah. Wait. Hold on. Watch this. For like a 5'4", 5'5" person. Ow.
Not as much
brain trauma, but pretty good.
train drama.
I said brain trauma.
I
What?
was just showing how much CT I have. Doesn't have as much space as the Silverado we had back in the spring. Remember that?
Oh.
You could lie down all the way across it.
You lie down there without like touching
The
it.
thing was massive, yeah. But this is pretty respectable. Yeah, cool. Now push that right there. I don't know how that's gonna work in the winter if you have ice and snow on there, but not our problem.
Just use on my heater. You'll be good.
I guess so, or just scrape it off.
Yeah.